Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's your boy Bizman Cam here, back with another video. And today I just first of all want to say sorry for my enthusiasm if I'm not that enthusiastic this video. I just got done with getting over the flu, and I still kind of have the flu, so I do apologize if I'm not, you know, super high in energy. But today's video is actually going to be a different type of video. In the past few weeks while I haven't been uploading, I actually have been trying to, you know, venture off into new things, and I finally ventured into the vending machine business. So about a week and a half ago, I want to say, I found my first vending machine with a location in this office location. So today I'm going to be doing a collection video for you guys. It's just a one-day collection, but mainly to show you guys the location and the vending machine itself, to show you guys my new venture. Any way that I can get money, guys, I'm going to get money. So I'm here with my little brother back there. Say what's up.
What's up, dude?
He said what's up, dude. He's just coming with me today to help me record, and I'm actually gonna switch to my phone because my camera's unfortunately about to die. But I just want to show you guys the location, show you guys my new venture, and any way I can make money. So let's go inside. You guys, so this is the location. It's a 3-story office building. It pretty much just has a bunch of like different businesses. It has a physical therapy business. Has a bank in here and all types of stuff. And the little door over here is where the employees hang out. As you can see, I don't want to invade her privacy too much, but this is where all the employees hang out, in this little door. And if you pull this right open, my vending machine is right here. Alrighty, so this is my vending machine, guys. This is my combo vending machine. It has snacks and drinks. Over the past couple of like week and a half, 2 weeks that I've had it, I've done some trial and error putting different stuff in. They have been on break a lot because of Christmas and New Year's and all types of stuff, so I haven't been seeing the exact results that I've been hoping for. But I'm hoping now that there's not many breaks starting from January on, that, you know, I can start seeing what is actually working and what's not. The only things that I've changed out so far is honey buns. I've put those in, and I've put the cheese crackers, this Nutri-Grain, and I believe that's it. And oh yeah, and also I've switched Sprite out for these lemonades because Sprites were not selling at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the machine and show you guys inside and go ahead and do this little collection. Alrighty, guys, so this is the inside of the vending machine. This is all the snacks and whatnot that we have in here. You guys can see I've tried to make it a decent array of candy, but also, you know, good breakfast food and other snacks. Some of this stuff, I feel like these raisin snails and stuff people don't like, but this is what was in the vending machine before I got it. So stuff like this, maybe I'll keep this one, and maybe this eventually I want to like switch out. You guys can see up here that there's like Flamin' Hot fries, but also Takis, and, you know, Flamin' Hot or Hot Cheetos. So eventually I want to switch those out, because I feel like there's no need to have Takis and these. You know, here and there I just want to switch stuff out to slowly make it better and more profitable. So I'm going to check the money last, but let me just show you guys what it kind of looks like down here. See. Alrighty, guys, so this is the bottom of the machine. As you guys can see, there is a Diet Dr. Coke right here. Dr. Coke, Diet Coke right here. Maybe someone bought it by accident. I don't want to waste any money, so I'm going to go ahead and just slip that right back in there. If you want to come closer, so you guys can see these are the selections we have. We have the lemonade right there, the Coke is a huge one, a huge seller here. It's probably my #1 seller. It was all the way up to here last time I restocked it, which was probably about 5 days ago, and it's been closed half the time, so people definitely love Coke here. Diet Coke is one of the least sellers, as well as the Sprite, which was right here, but I took that out for the lemonade. So we're kind of doing a test trial on the lemonade, and then opening these, we have Arizona tea, we have a Monster in the middle, and then we have a red Gatorade, which all three don't do insanely well. So I might have to switch those out. We'll just have to see. I haven't had the location really long, but now for what all you guys have been waiting for, the collection. So this is a one-day collection. Like I said, I mainly just wanted to show you guys the machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I can already see some change in there, which I'm happy about. So I'm gonna go ahead, you guys can look in there. That's where all the extra change, the excess change goes. And like I said, it's only been a day. So seeing that makes me pretty happy. so this is the change we have. I'll go ahead and count it up for you guys in just a second. We got 2 dimes as well. Go ahead and just set that there for now. Alrighty, so it looks like we got $4, and let's go ahead and count up the change real quick. Alrighty, you guys, so we have a total of $4, and then we have another $4 in change exactly right here. So we've made $8. We made $8 in one day of my vending machine business. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the location and my new vending machine. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy, and you guys are gonna enjoy this new series of vending machines that I'm gonna be running, I'm gonna be trying to pick up locations here and there, and new vending machines as well to, you know, as another source of income. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.